Hi, bud. Hi, buddy. Yeah? Oh, making poopies. That was a good face. You're gonna hate me when you're older. That's gonna be a full diaper, isn't it? You've been working on that for 10 minutes. There's more. Oh, still working. Squeeze it out.